Mr. Toad, and bless my soul, there's Mr. Rat and Mr. Mole. Oh, books, what books they used to know, those children living long ago. So please, oh please, we beg, we pray, go throw your TV set away. Now the TiVo too, and in its place, you can install a lovely bookshelf on the wall. Then fill those shelves with lots of books, ignoring all the dirty looks, the spites, the yells, the screams, the kicks, and children hitting you with sticks. Fear not, no, because we promise you that, well, in about a week or two of having nothing more to do, I know, pre-internet days, they'll now begin to feel the need of having something good to read. And once they start, oh boy, you watch the slowly growing joy that fills their hearts. They'll grow so keen, they'll wonder what they'd ever seen in that ridiculous machine, that vile, unclean, repulsive television screen. And later, each and every kid will love you more for what you did. Thank you, everyone.
You know why I'm so passionate about the purpose that librarians bring to their work? It's because I've seen it with my own eyes. I've experienced it firsthand. My time, 20 plus years of spare time as a young person in the public library, played such an important role in my own journey, not just as an intellectual, not just as a citizen, but even as a Muslim. Far from diluting or polluting my faith, which is what my madrasa teacher feared would happen, the freedom of information that libraries provided me saved my faith in Islam. And for that, I will be eternally grateful.